Hello everyone, this is Cindy. Here are my October outfits. The first outfit is a double denim outfit. I took a walk around in central London in Covent Garden. It was a beautiful day, but it rained a little bit, and I stopped for coffee and did a little bit of sightseeing. And the next outfit is I was walking around in St. Christopher's Place to have my nails done, and I went to Selfridges. Before I went in, I had a fit check outside of Selfridges, if you recognize it if you live in London. And then I went into Selfridges and spotted that beautiful bag. Afterwards, I went to this lovely place to have coffee and sat at the courtyard and just chilled and relaxed before I headed home. Also, I took a selfie, and that's the day I went into Notting Hill. I did a fit check and walked around Bayswater area, and it was just so beautiful, and it was a lovely day. Wearing my favorite suede blazer, I had a walk around the city. It was really lovely and such a cool outfit. I really liked it. And that's the day when I went to have my hair done. It was such a rainy day. I had sushi for lunch. Spent 5 hours at a hairdresser's. We went to a day trip to Mersey Island. We had lovely seafood, but the weather wasn't very nice. It was very windy, but we did have a really lovely time. The seafood was exquisite. We thoroughly enjoyed it. I had 0 Guinness and enjoyed some fabulous seafood. Another day I took a walk around in Hyde Park wearing my grey coat and with brown tones and brown boots and brown bag from Manuel Atelier, and also of course I had a coffee. This was Horizon 22. It was a free viewing tower. I think it's on the 58th floor. You can see the landscapes around London, around the city, the River Thames, and that's Tower Bridge. That's what I wore for the day. Afterwards, we went to Borough Market, had a crazy crab shacks, steamed seafood. It was super delicious. I had a snow crab. It was beautiful. And this is just a day that I wore my leopard jeans with my brown blazer and a brown bag and brown loafers, and it was just a lovely day that I went out for shopping. This is another day I was in London and spotted something in a Portobello market and stopped at this place for lunch, but the lunch was not very nice. Nice decor, but horrible food. Won't go there again, and I wouldn't recommend it to you. This was just a series of few things that I love, little clips that over the period of time, that my bags, shoes, favorite accessories, reminding me where I have been, what I've done over that period of time. This was another day I wore my favorite suede blazer. I had to walk around in the city walking. I love city walking. Just get a coffee, walk around, just soak in to some sunshine if there is any, but that was quite a sunny afternoon. I really enjoyed it. Another day, another outfit. This is a grey and charcoal grey look with black bag and shoes. I went to return some shopping, and then that was a cloudy day, quite cold, and just walked around. This is Bond Street, that's the Ralph Lauren, Cartier. This is on Old Bond Street. I just love it. Look at different buildings, the shapes, the curves, the colour, so beautiful. And then on a different day, I went to the South Bank, went to the Marriott Hotel. The view from the coffee shop was stunning, and it's right next to the London Eye. That's it, that's my October. So I hope you enjoyed your October. I'll see you in my November outfit check video. Bye!